Hey, Speed Scouts! Buckle up as we dive into the electrifying story of BYD, the Chinese EV giant that outmaneuvered Tesla, revolutionized battery tech, and is now charging into Europe and beyond. From powering your phone to dominating global highways, this is the untold saga of how a battery company became the world's EV king. Founded in 1995 as Build Your Dreams, BYD began as a modest battery manufacturer for mobile phones and electronics. But in 2003, CEO Wang Chuanfu made a bold pivot, enter the auto industry using their battery expertise. Fast forward to 2023, and BYD dethroned Tesla as the world's top EV seller, moving 526,000 battery-only vehicles in Q4 alone. How? Through a vertically integrated empire that controls every component, from lithium mining to semiconductors. Their secret weapon? The Blade Battery, a lithium iron phosphate LFP innovation that's 30% cheaper and 50% safer than traditional batteries. Unlike Tesla's cylindrical cells, BYD's blade-shaped modules eliminate fire risks while boosting energy density. This tech now powers everything from their $10,000 Seagull hatchback to the $233,000 Yangwang U9 hypercar. Global conquest. BYD's three-pronged strategy. 1. Europe, football fields and factories. BYD's 2024 UEFA Euro sponsorship, the first by a Chinese automaker, signals its European ambitions. 3. With EV sales in the region growing 156%, BYD is building factories in Hungary and partnering with Sixt for 100,000 rental EVs by 2028. Their focus? Electric buses for public transit, already operational in London, Madrid, and Oslo. 2. Latin America, electrifying public transport in Bogotá and Santiago. BYD's electric buses replace diesel guzzlers, cutting emissions by 60%. With contracts for 1,000 e-buses in Colombia and partnerships with Mexican ride-hailing giant Vimo, BYD is leveraging Latin America's urban sustainability push. 3. Asia and beyond. The $10,000 EV revolution. The $10,240 Seagull, BYD's budget EV, is outselling Tesla in Thailand and India. In Q1 2024, overseas sales hit 97,899 units plus 156% YoY, with plans to capture 40% of India's EV market by 2030. While Tesla focuses on luxury, BYD dominates the mass market with 13.4% YoY growth in Q1 2024. Their plug-in hybrids PHEVs bridge the gap for hesitant buyers, accounting for 51.8% of Q1 sales. This dual approach aligns with global net zero goals. BYD aims for carbon neutrality by 2040 while pushing EVs into ride-hailing fleets via Didi and Uber partnerships. Our vertical integration lets us undercut competitors by 20 to 30%, notes Frost & Sullivan, forecasting a 30% CAGR for BYD through 2030. The numbers speak. 526,409 EVs sold in Q4 2023 versus Tesla's 484,597% market share in China's PHEV sector, 70 countries served. Across 400 cities. Despite success, BYD faces hurdles in the West. The EU's 10% tariff on Chinese EVs and US chicken tax 25% on imported trucks complicate market entry. Political tensions loom large. The US banned BYD buses from federal funding in 2022 over data privacy concerns. Yet BYD adapts. Their new Hungary factory dodges EU tariffs, while the Yangwang U9 luxury SUV $150,000 plus targets affluent Europeans. As Frost & Sullivan notes, no automaker combines scale and vertical control like BYD. That's unstoppable. At CES 2023, BYD unveiled an NVIDIA-powered smart cockpit with cloud gaming and Level 3 autonomy. The Yangwang U9 hypercar exemplifies this tech shift, rivaling Tesla's Roadster with 0-60 miles per hour in 2.36 seconds. With 9.7 million EVs forecast in Europe by 2030, BYD's $1 billion R&D budget targets solid-state batteries 500-mile range, autonomous e-buses for smart cities, solar integrated charging networks. BYD's rise isn't just about cars. It's a masterclass in vertical integration, strategic globalization, and sustainable innovation. While Tesla battles CEO drama and recall scandals, BYD quietly builds an empire from batteries to buses. So, can BYD conquer America? With 40% of the global EV market by 2030 in their sights, don't bet against the battery king. As Wang Chuanfu says, we don't just build cars, we build ecosystems. Drop a comment below. Would you buy a BYD over a Tesla? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more electrifying insights from Speed Scout.